From down in the gutter to the mountain top. Man get tested when the whole world flop. Babylon talk sweet but it thin like chalk. One good deed louder than the wicked mouth talk. Me watch them carry lie like it was gold in hand, but a truth cut clear like a steel in sun. When you know who you be, you can't lose road. Even bare feet still can carry heavy load. So hold your head high, now bow to fear. Every false chain crack when the truth come near. Me say looking at the eye, you will find the guide. Righteous little flame, it a burn inside. Truth shall live. Truth shall live. No lie can bury it. Truth shall live. Truth shall live. Truth shall live. Stand firm, my brethren. Truth shall live. Missy Beer man smile with a knife in a chest, then cry when the night bring the reason for test. But a clean heart move like a river run deep. It lift up the weak and it wake the sleep. If you plant good seed, then you know what grow. No need for beg son, the earth already know. Every child of Jah got a fire for light. Every honest word make the dark turn bright. So hold your head high, now bow to fear. Every false chain crack when the truth come near. Me say looking at the eye, you will find the guy. Righteous little flame, it a burn inside. Truth shall live. No lie can bury it. Truth shall live. Truth shall live. Truth shall live. Stand firm, my brethren. Truth shall live. When the system shake and the cowards run, truth stay solid like the iron sun. Me no beg favor from a crooked hand. Me trod straight road, me faith will stand. Truth shall live. Truth shall live. Truth shall live. Truth shall live. Rise up, my people. Truth shall live. Me learn say freedom no come in a bag. It grow like a tree from the cut and the jag. If your mind a prison, your foot them stay chained. But truth with the poor man can break every chain. Them sell your fear in a shiny top coat. Them hide the key while them talk pure hope. Yet one little thought can burn down abuse. When you know who you be, you can't stay loose. So lift up your head, no bow to the light. See through the smoke where the real thing hide. Wisdom of the lantern, it guide through the night. Freedom start first when you make your soul bright. Wisdom for free. Wisdom for free. Take back your mind and walk in a peace. Wisdom for free. Wisdom for free. Jah inna your heart. That are the key. Free up your soul. Wisdom for free. Man talk about riches but pockets stay cold. If your heart full of pies and your story get old, make them laugh if them want, make them point and chat. A humble little seed still bust through the crack. Every step where you take with integrity, I build up a bridge to your destiny. No sell out your name for your handful of rum. True liberty is sweet when you hear it and warm. So rise up brother, rise up sister. To the road me rough but the road show truth. When you stop and listen, the spirit get loud and you find your own flame in the crowd. Wisdom for free. Wisdom for free. Take back your mind and walk in a peace. Wisdom for free. Wisdom for free. Jah inna your heart. That are the key. Free up your soul. Wisdom for free. If them build wall, conscience climb. first little spark, me see the whole of the plan. If your heart full of love, you can outshine corruption. Man, Babylon built upon lies and greed, but every seed were good, it still have to breed. My granny said, take it easy, son, watch your steps. Still me hide them up, me nah sleep, me nah pep. When wicked get low, truth get louder. Still a clean conscience, strong like a mountain. Ill themself fear like rum, warn the young them mislead. But knowledge of the lantern when the night time bleed. Me walk with my chest up, my soul on fire. Every righteous brother and sister getting higher. So hold firm now, no sell your bread. Jah put wisdom in the wound and death. When the dark crowd roar, we answer with light. One love, one mind, we ready for the fight, yeah. Fire against evil, fire. Burn the lies, burn the wire. Fire against evil, fire. Truth stand up and never tire. Fire against evil, fire. Love of the shield, faith of the spire. Fire against evil, fire. Jah light blaze from me desire. See every storm come fi test the root. If the tree stay grounded, it will bear good fruit. No bow to the dollar, no bow to the shame. Me not trade my soul for a pretty name. Them want lock the mind with a chain made a talk, but a free talk move like a lion in the park. One man pain can't teach a whole nation heal. One pure word can't make a broken spirit feel. Me know said the road rough, me know said the hill steep. Still the strongest river are the one we run deep. So me give thanks for the bread and the breath, and me use every sunrise for conquer death. So hold firm now, no sell your breath. Jah put wisdom in the wound and death. When the dark road roar, we answer with light. One love, one mind, we ready for the fight, yeah. Fire against evil, fire. Burn the lies, burn the wire. Fire against evil, fire. Truth stand up and never tire. Fire against evil, fire. Love of the shield, faith of the spire. Fire against evil, fire. Jah light blaze from the desire. Listen now, my brethren, life is a little school. If you act like a fool, you get fooled by the fool. But the humble man rise where the proud man fall, and the weak in a spirit can still stand tall. So I pray for the enemy, ask them for change. Cause hatred get cold and compassion get strange. Yet if them choose darkness, we not run, we not hide. We just keep the flame alive deep inside. Fire against evil, fire. Burn the lies, burn the wire. Fire against evil, fire. Truth stand up and never tire. Fire against evil, fire. Love of the shield, faith of the spire. Fire against evil, fire. Jah light blaze from me desire.
Morning hush from the zinc fence. Sun talks soft but the soul still tense. Babylon try bend, we back to the ground. But roots grow deep where the lost get found. We see the old man smile through pain like a dry sky. Promise it soon come rain. Every crack in the road tell truth. Every scar in the heart stay proof. So hold firm, brethren, hold your ground. Hear that drum when it roll around. If them lock the door, spirit still slide through. What was born in fire can be untrue. Freedom never dies. Freedom never dies. Though them chain the hands, the spirit still rise. Freedom never dies. Freedom never dies. Them self-fear in a pretty coat. Try drown hope in a sinking boat. But me mind the kingdom, me chest a drum. Even in the dark, light still come. Make them talk, make them scheme, make them plan. Earth still turn from the same hole and one love. More than a speech or sign is a breadfruit tree and a strong right mind. So hold firm, brethren, hold your ground. Hear that drum when it roll around. If them lock the door, spirit still slide through. What was born in fire can be untrue. Freedom never dies. Freedom never dies. Though them chain the hands, the spirit still rise. Freedom never dies. Freedom never dies. Babylon pass, but truth no hide. Tell me who can stop a river mouth when it carving road through the dead drought? Who can catch the breeze in a wire and stick? Who can break a vow when his soul get thick? Me whole life a lesson, me whole chest a fire. Pain turn teacher and truth climb higher. So when you feel like surrender come near, remember your name, remember why you here. Yeah. Freedom never dies. Freedom never dies. Though them chain the hands, the spirit still rise. Freedom never dies. Freedom never dies. Babylon pass, but truth no hide. So walk good, let your story unfold. Freedom in a bowl, freedom in a soul. Freedom never dies. Freedom never dies.
Concrete jungle, heartbeat strong. Generations carry on. Ancestors whispers in the breeze, planting seeds of what must be. Them traffic dim our life, but we burning ever bright. Rebel legacy flowing through our veins. Wash away the sorrow, wash away the pain. Stand up tall like a mighty tree. Freedom is our destiny. Babylon crumble to the ground. Truth and justice will be found. No surrender, no retreat. Every step of victory sweet. Them traffic dim all my life, but we burning ever bright. A rebel legacy flowing through our veins. Wash away
From me born me carry fire in a bone. Lion blood me now walk alone. Mud pa me shoes, rain pa me face. Still me hold firm, still me keep grace. Them want me bend, want see me fall. But Jah give strength when trouble call. Holy pan eyes in a Babylon yard. Still me heart clean, still me work hard. Say who feel it though, when the drum go low. Road get rough, still me move. Lion blood, that I me prove. Lion blood, stand up tall. Lion blood, now go star. Lion blood, rise when me fall. Lion blood, answer the call. Stand up tall. Lion blood. Me learn from the river, it no rush nowhere. It cut through stone with patient care. Me learn from the tree in a dry season. Drop leaf, keep root, that a real reason. If you're lost today, no shame in the night. Morning still come with a fresh new light. One small seed turn all hill green. So keep your spirit clean, keep your dream lean. Say who feel it though, when the drum go low. Trouble come and trouble go. Lion blood, make it so. Lion blood, stand up tall. Lion blood, now go star. Lion blood, rise when we fall. Lion blood, answer the call. Stand up tall. Lion blood. Hear me now, you take time and see. Truth no grow in a vanity. Chain can shine but soul more bright. Freedom live in a works and right. So if them press harder your soul. Go on with purpose, keep your goal. Me say every storm got a way for end. And every lion know how to stand again. Lion blood, stand up tall. Lion blood, now go star. Lion blood, rise when we fall. Lion blood, answer the call. Lion blood, heart no cold. Lion blood, spirit born. Lion blood, story unfold. Lion blood, you are good. Stand up tall. Lion blood. From the root we rise out of concrete and pave. Babylon one break we but we stand up same. Ancient truth a moving on me chest like flame. Every little breath spell out freedom name. See the moon keep turning, same way trials go. River cut stone, yes, soft but it know. If you lose your footing, still the road can grow. Take the lesson brethren and let the wisdom show. So when the night get heavy and your heart feel low, hold the line, watch the new day grow. Eternal revolution, turn the wheel, turn the wheel, turn the wheel. Eternal revolution, we rise again, we'll rise again. Eternal revolution, from the dust to the dawn, from the dust. Eternal revolution, Jah people carry on.
fi kneel, man born fi understand. Love is not a weak thing, it a righteous son. Plant one seed of courage in a barren land. Soon enough the whole field dressing green again. Who chase fool go lose sight of the sun? Who got them grudges never feel it drum? But if you bend like bamboo, you never truly done. You can swing back stronger when the storm a come. Listen child, the chain them can rattle and fall. Truth moves silent yet it answer every call. One heart, one fire, one voice overall. We build new world when we lift up each other time. Eternal revolution. Turn the wheel, turn the wheel, turn the wheel. Eternal revolution. We rise again, real. Rise again. Eternal revolution. From the dust to the dawn. From the dust. Eternal revolution. Jah people carry on. So walk with faith and keep your reason bright. Even broken seeds still reach the light. Eternal revolution. Moving through the night. Yeah. Eternal revolution. Everything alike.
Me born in a pressure, but me no live for bend. Every bruise in the road teach me how for mend. Them put chains on the spirit, lock jaw on the prayer. Still me plant 2 foot firm like my root there. River no stone and stone no rain. Even iron get weary when it carry pain. So me looking at the mirror, tell myself clear. Your body got scars, but your soul still here. Hear the drum, it a reason. Hear the heart, it a season. From my chest to the sky, me declare, no more crawling pon fear. Rise from chains, rise from chains. Holy for fire run through my veins. Rise from chains, rise from chains. My spirit want free through the pain. Rise from chains, rise from chains. Babylon can't hold my name. Rise from chains, rise from chains. My born for stand up again. Them say stay small, but my mind too wide. Too much truth in the wound, them try hide. Me learn how to eat from a bare black plate. Still give thanks when the table stay late. One hand clap can't make no song. So me call upon the weak, pull the strong along. If you got a question, ask the night. Why the darkest road show the clearest light? Hear the drum, it's a reason. Hear the heart, it's a season. From my chest to the sky, me declare, no more crawling pon fear. Rise from chains, rise from chains. Holy for fire run through my veins. Rise from chains, rise from chains. My spirit want free through the pain. Rise from chains, rise from chains. Babylon can't hold my name. Rise from chains, rise from chains. My born for stand up again. When the dust settle, who's still there? Who still love when the light fade away? Not the mouth we chat, not the hand we point, but the one way heal the broken time. So me lift up my chin, let the past fall down. Turn my hurt to a crown, turn my tear to a sound. Yeah, me walk with wisdom, me walk with grace. No chain can define my place. Rise from chains, rise from chains. Holy for fire run through my veins. Rise from chains, rise from chains. My spirit want free through the pain. Rise from chains, rise from chains. Babylon can't hold my name. Rise from chains, rise from chains. My man fi stand up again.
on, but truth still walk through every line. Me see the poor man bend like Cain, still him heart clean through the rain. When lie get fat and justice thin, a righteous soul have to rise again. Me nah bow down for no false crown. Me plant good seed in a hard dry ground. Tell me now, who got the game? Who lift the weak before too late? If breath in your chest, if hope still live, then stand up straight and learn forgive. Stand for justice, stand for truth, stand for justice. From you to you, now sell your soul for your pocket full of gold. Stand for justice, brave and bold. Me hear the hungry pan the corner cry, see the bright-eyed picnic asking why. When greed a laugh and mercy fade, we have to be the light we made. Man can't eat if him spirit dead. Can't build a bridge from fear and dread. So walk with grace, but step with fire. Every good heart raised higher and higher. And me now, who got the gate? Who lift the weak before too late? If breath in your chest, if prep still live, then stand up straight and learn forgive. Stand for justice, stand for truth, stand for justice. From you to you, now sell your soul for your pocket full of gold. Stand for justice, brave and bold. Babylon love when you tone it down. Want your head low, want your faith sold out. But every chain got a breaking point. Every liar know him rightful voice. So when them pressure, chant and pray. Let conscience lead the way. One people, one earth, one love in sight. Justice rise like morning light. Stand for justice, stand for truth, stand for justice. From you to you, now sell your soul for your pocket full of gold. Stand for justice, brave and bold. Stand for justice, hear me say. Stand for justice every day. From the dust till me stand up straight. Heart full of fire when the pressure wait. Them want bend me will, want lock me fate. But truth too strong, it can't be late. Every little child I carry one seed. Some grow to a tree, some grow to greed. Life say watch how you move, watch how you breathe. Cause a man without soul can't plant no peace. So me sing to the stubborn hill, me sing to the broken will. If the road get long and hard, keep your head up, hold your guard. Justice and dumb, hear it now. Justice and dumb, we stand pro. Babylon broke, but truth still crown. Justice and dumb, rise up now. Rise up now. Babylon man come, stand up proud. Me see the hungry, me see the fraud. One and take while the next and applaud. But every lie got a crack in it wall. Every false king got a dead fi fall. Enough pretty talk can't buy one day. Enough sharp suit can't wash in West Day. If you build on fear, it mash up away. Only love and courage know the right highway. So me sing to the crowded street, to the weak and the mighty inside of we. Justice anthem. Hear it now. Justice anthem. We stand proud. Babylon broke, but truth still crown. Justice anthem. Rise up now. Justice anthem. Rise up now. Justice anthem. Stand up proud. Listen close, brethren. Sister, to what you give out come right back to you. If you plant hate, you reap confusion. If you plant love, you build solution. No man above the law of the heart. No storm so wild it tear up apart. From the mud we learn, from the pain we grow. Even one small flame can make a road glow. Justice anthem.